Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel, and in today's video we are going to learn practice set 33 of the chapter Algebraic expressions and operations on them. Okay, so let us start with your exercise. Now in this exercise we have been asked to add the given algebraic expressions. It is not necessary that you may have only one type of expression. There might be a monomial, there might be a binomial, there might be a trinomial. So we are going to add these monomials, binomials and trinomials, and we are going to find out the answers. Okay, so like for example, if you see there are two expressions given here. There are two algebraic expressions. The first one is this 9p plus 16q, and the other one, as you can see, a comma is there, which means that there is another expression which is 13p plus 2q. Okay, now whenever we are adding two expressions, put them in a bracket first. Okay, and then in the next step remove those brackets. Now a very necessary condition here: when you remove the brackets or you open the brackets, the signs you have to check. But as you see here, whenever you have plus sign outside the bracket, what happen what happens is the sign inside the bracket remains the same. So whenever you are adding, you don't have to worry about the signs, because the signs of each and every term is retained. It remains the same. Like for example, 9 was positive, it is positive here. 16 was positive, it is positive here. 13 was positive, it is positive here, and 2 was also positive, so it is positive. So when you're adding, you don't have to worry about the signs, it always remains the same. But what we do here is, in the first step we put them in a bracket and then we remove the bracket, and then we look for the like terms. I hope you'll remember in the previous video I had explained to you what are like terms. Like terms means ऐसे terms. See यहाँ पे चार terms है, 1, 2, 3 and 4. These are called, this is one term, this is second term, this is third term, and this is fourth term. Now in these four terms you have to check for the like terms. Like terms means you don't have to look for the numbers, you have to look for the alphabets. The alphabets should be same, as well as its power should be same. Then only you can say that they are like terms. So when we look for this, when we check for this 9p and 16q, they are different because the p and q are different. Then if I check for the other one, do I have anything along with p? See, 9 and 13. 9 and 13p. You at both the places the alphabet is p and the power is also the same. So 9p and 13p are going to be our like terms, which we write down together, and 16q and 2q we write down together because they are the same term. Okay, then afterwards we can add the like terms together. We can add this and we can add this. We cannot add p and q. We can add only pp and we can add only qq. So when we are adding, we just concentrate on the numbers. So 9 and 13, and here we are going to add these two numbers. So 9 and 13 is going to give me 22p. The variables remain as it is. So 9 plus 13 is 22 and the variable as it is. Similarly 16 plus 2 is 18 and variable as it is. So this is how you add. Okay, let us see a few more examples so that it will help you to understand in detail. Okay, so we have the next example. So here we have trinomials. If you see, this is one and this is the another one. So first step is put them in brackets and then open the brackets. But then when we have a positive expression, we don't have to worry about the signs. So whenever you have a positive one, everything remains as it is. Then we look for the these like terms. So as you can see here, there is a here, so a is here also. This is the like term, its power is also the same and variable is also the same. Similarly we have b and we have b here, so this is another like term, and finally we have c and this c. So we are going to arrange all the like terms together. So I'll put 2 and 16a together here. See, this will be together 2a plus 16a. Then you have 6b and 13b together, and then we have 8c and 18c together. We are going to add these three terms. So 2 plus 16. So 2 plus 16 is going to give me 18. 6 plus 13 is going to give me 19, and 18 plus 8 is going to give me 26. So 2 plus 16 is 18a, 6 plus 13 is 19b, and 8 plus 18c is 26c. Okay, now let us take one more. Now as you can see here, we have two expressions which we have written in brackets: 13x square minus 12y square in one, and 6x square minus 8y square in the other. And then we have opened the brackets. Okay, then everything remains the same since there is plus sign in between two brackets. The signs are going to remain same. So this is 13x square minus 12x square plus 6x square and minus 8y square. Then we search for the like terms. So as we search for the like terms, where do we get them? This is 13x square and y square won't be there, 6x square. Okay, similarly we have 12y square and 8y square. So we are going to arrange them together. So I write 13 with 6 and I write down 12y square with 8y square, and now I try to solve them. So 13 plus 6 is going to give me 19 x square, and this minus into minus is going to be plus, children, and 12 plus 8 is going to be 20. But we always take the sign of a bigger number, so minus 20y square. See, for deciding whether to add or subtract, we take the multiplication of two signs. So minus into minus is going to be plus. So 12 plus 8 करेंगे, जो भी आंसर आएगा उसमें हम greater number की sign डालेंगे. So 12 is a greater number, so we put minus sign here. So this is how you solve this sum. We move to the next sum. Now as you can see here, I have directly shown you all these expressions. Now 17a square b square plus 16c and 28c minus 28a square b square. Now as you can see on your screen, I have put them in the brackets and then I have removed the brackets. After that, I have put the like terms together, 17 this and minus 28a square b square. Similarly 16c is here and 28c lies here. Then when we add the like terms, these are the two like terms that we are going to add. So 17 minus 28 is going to be 11 and 16 plus 28 is going to be 44. Then we have the fifth example. In this fifth example, if you see, you have 3y square minus 10y plus 16 is 1 and 2y minus 7 is the another expression. So I have put it in a bracket and then removed the bracket. Then rearrange the like terms together. So 3y square is not having any pair with it, if you see. So it lies alone. Minus 10y can be written with plus 2y. Plus 16 and minus 7 can be written together. And now when we solve this, 3y square is alone, which comes here. This is together. So minus into plus is going to be minus. So we are going to do 10 minus 2, which is 8, and sign of a bigger number. So bigger number is 10 and its sign is negative. So this becomes negative. Similarly, 16 minus 7 is going to be 9. Okay, 16 minus 7 is going to be 9 here. Okay, so this is how you solve the fifth sum. And now we come across the last sum. The last sum is 3. This we put in one bracket and the another expression we put in the another bracket. In the next step, we open the brackets. So when we are opening the brackets, all the signs are retained as they are: minus 3y square plus 10y minus 16 plus 7y square plus 8. Write all the like terms together. So minus 3y square plus 7y square together. 10y is not having any pair with it. Okay. See, 3y square can be written along with 7y square, which we have written here. Okay. Then 10y is not having anyone with it, so it will be like this only. And we have constant minus 16 and 8, which are written here. And then we solve. 3 plus 7 is going to be 10. This 10y is not having anyone, so it will remain as it is. And this is going to be minus into plus. So minus into plus is minus. So we subtract 8 from 16, we get 8 and sign of a bigger number. So this is how we add two algebraic expressions given to us. I hope it is clear to all of you. Thank you.